Okay, I wanna hang this knife hanger from IKEA KUNGSFORS knife hanger. It's quite simple actually. I think it's something like 2 screws. If it comes out, there it is. Yeah, we don't use these. Crappy thing here that hangs here on the wall with 2 screws, and then this just clips on it with these magnets. So I'm gonna mark 1, and the second one will be here, like this. Drill 2 6mm holes. One here. That's 1. That's 2. Now we need one of these plastic roundy things, don't remember how they're called, that are used to keep this just a little bit away from the wall. It comes actually with these two as well, which connect to frame if you use frames. So this is one will go in here. This will go in here. Put the screw in this hole. Add this here to. It has to be just a bit away from the wall, and I'm gonna screw it in. One. Now I'm gonna do the second one. Yeah, I have this YouTube channel. Watch it. It's really good. There's loads of stuff there. And also comment, like, and share this video if you want. I mean, you don't have to, but it would be really nice of you. Now we're done. All we have to do is put this on, down. It's in. And then let's add some knives. 1. Ooh, nice. Just a second. I got this new Chinese cleaver, which I'm kind of liking now. Put this one here, this one here, and make a small one. And of course, you can put this one here. And that's it, ready. Hope you enjoyed it, quick and easy.